Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a quick review video for you on these dipping powders from Double Dip. Double Dip already sent me some of their products, and they contacted me again to review 3 more colors from their regular line, and they also are doing a fun bingo for each purchase that you place until July 20th. I'm sorry that I'm posting my videos this late, but the local post office just decided to bounce my package for a couple days between different postal offices, so I haven't received it until Thursday, and it took me a day or two to film and edit my video. But I do hope that you will enjoy this one. If you do, then please give me a thumbs up, and if you are new here and you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then also please hit the subscribe button before you leave. And a big thank you to Double Dip for sending me these 3 dipping powders. I already have their system, so I will be using it to see how these actually apply. I won't be doing them again on my natural nails, but I will show you anyways the application. They are very easy to use, and I am really excited about all the colors, even though pink is not necessarily my favorite, but the gold and the mint colors look so pretty, so I'm really looking forward to it. And I also have a discount code. I will link it for you in the description box with all the details. And now, before I jump into the review, let's see what the bingo ticket looks like and how you can join it. Alright, so the bingo ticket has 2 sides. On one side you have your bingo colors, and this is the selection that I received from Double Dip. And here are the details for you. You can of course always pause the video, and I will also have a quick shot of this same picture for you if you just would like to pause it and read through the instructions. As I said, this bingo game is ending at the end of 7/20, so July 20th, and they will be announcing the colors daily in their private Facebook book. All the information is on this bingo card, so I'm really excited to play this game, and I hope you guys will give it a try. Their products, as I said, are really good. I really like the powders that I tried so far, and there is no minimum purchase, so your order automatically qualifies you, and they will send you a bingo card with your purchase. Thank you Double Dip for this fun surprise kind of game, and I wish everybody good luck who decides to join. Again, I do have a discount code. I will link it for you if you would like to use it. But yeah, I just hope that you will be able to join, and now let's jump into the review portion. So what were your thoughts on these dipping powders from Double Dip? I really like them. The mint and the gold are absolutely beautiful. I think my favorite is the gold one, especially because it has a little bit of shimmer in it, so it is adding something a little extra to the powder itself. My least favorite is the pink one. Also, it kind of feels like it's not sticking as well to the base as the other powders that I tried. If you follow all the instructions, so if you still see some bumps on my sticks, it's because I didn't file them down. When you have your regular steps, you will use a dehydrator on your natural nails. Then you will of course use the dip your finger in the powder, apply it 2 to 3 times depending on the opacity of the powder. Then you will apply the activator. You file off any uneven surface, then you apply another layer of the activator, and then you seal everything with their glossy top coat. I do like their system, however for some reason my activator always kind of starts activating the top coat that comes with the set. I don't know if I am doing something wrong. I'm waiting relatively long, so to make sure that the activator is fully sealing or it sealed the powder in place. I don't know, for some reason it could be just my activator or could be just the activator in their set that is doing it. So I would recommend you to use a different activator. I never had it happen with any other brand. That's my only negative about their dipping system, and the activator is quite an important part of course for your perfect manicure. But again, it could just be my activator, so give it a try. If it's doing the same to you, just use a different activator. It's not a biggie. Even though they do recommend to use the same brand system, you can always mix and match. So let me know what are your thoughts, if you like these colors that they were sent to me from Double Dip, and let me also know if you decided to purchase something and play the fun bingo game. I am really excited, and you know, the price is really nice as well. So thank you again Double Dip for everything, for sending me the powders and also letting us know about this fun game. I hope you guys are all safe and sound, and I think that's it. But if you do have any questions on anything, please leave them for me in the comment section, and as I said, I will leave for you what I can in the description box in case if you decide to purchase any of these powders or if you have any other questions on the bingo itself. So thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.